Microwave is all about convenience. So why does our food come out undercooked, overcooked, or worst, rubbery? I'm Chef Tristan and let me teach you some tips on how to make your microwave your kitchen's best friend. Okay, for today, we'll be cooking boiled eggs. Using a safety pin, we need to gently pierce the eggs in order for it that it won't, well, basically it won't explode inside the microwave. Or like creating a window for it to breathe. Okay, add some hot water. Okay, we need to submerge the egg in our hot water. Now, we're going to cook it in our microwave. There you go. We're going to cook our fresh eggs under 5 minutes. I think it's done. Okay. Now let us check if this is cooked. Now let us see if this is cooked perfectly. There you have it, our perfectly cooked eggs in the microwave. This is Chef Tristan, and see you soon again for more cooking tips.